Hey, what's up guys, this is Q here, back again with another video. Alright, so, oh my god, it's such a hot day today, but I can't even open the window because all the car sounds will get into the mic and then I can't even hear myself talk. But anyway, what are we gonna talk about today? So today I wanted to make a video explaining how to use adjectives in Korean. So like, first of all, what are adjectives? Well, an adjective is like a describing word, right? So if you have the word tree, for example, if I say something like big tree, then the word big is an adjective. Or like small tree, tall tree, blue tree. These are all adjectives, okay? So they describe the noun. Yeah, so I'm going to teach you how to say these in Korean. I mean, how to say these, like how to use these adjectives in Korean. All right, so let's go. Let's get started. Okay, so Korean adjectives. Here we go. So I made a bunch of adjectives here. I didn't make it. I made a list of a bunch of adjectives here. Just like the verbs, they all end in ta. So if you were to look it up in the dictionary, they all end in this ta kind of thing. Anyways, here is the first adjective. 비싸다. 비싸다. So it means to be expensive. So let's say that you want to say something like expensive car. So the word for car is 차. And that would mean, logically, that would mean expensive car, right? 비싸다 차. But actually, we can't really say it like this. We gotta change it a little bit. So what we're gonna do is, first we're gonna remove the ta. And then we're gonna add this little n kind of character right below here. So it's gonna be 비싼 차. So now that becomes expensive car. Alright, so let's look at another example. This one is 크다 차. So it would be like big car. So if you were to look up the word big in a dictionary, it would be in the ta form, right? But we can't say it like this when we're speaking, so we gotta do the same thing, remove the ta, and then we add a n kind of sound. So now it's 큰 차. So this is now big car. Pretty simple, right? Alright, so let's look at one more. This is 깨끗하다 차. 깨끗하다 차. So it means clean car. So again, what we do is remove the ta and then we add like a n kind of sound like this. So now that becomes 깨끗한 차. 깨끗한 차. So that means clean car. Alright, so let's look at a different type this time. This one is 작다 차. 작다 차. So this means small. But okay, so this one we do the same thing. We remove the ta, and then now we're left with 작차. But wait a minute, there's something underneath here. We can't put our usual n kind of sound and say 잔차 because there's something already here, right? So what do? What we do is we write out a separate 은. So now it becomes 작은 차. 작은 차. Okay, this is only for when there's already something underneath it and then you can't put a n sound underneath. You have to write out the full 은. Okay, and the same with this one. Because there's something already underneath. This is 좋다 차, right? There's already something underneath it. So we can't put our n in it, right? So we're going to have to remove the ta and write out the full 은. So now that becomes 좋은 차. 좋은 차. That's a good car. Alright, so just a quick recap of what I just said. Let's take these two words. 비싸다, 비싸다 차. And 작다 차. Okay, so first step is to remove the ta. Right? So now it becomes that. And then this one, we just add a n kind of thing. And this one, since we have this thing underneath, we write out the full 은. Okay, so it's going to be like that. 비싼 차 and 작은 차. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But there are some exceptions. Like there are some stuff that don't follow this kind of rule. Anything with the 을 thing at the bottom, like the word 길다, actually only the word 길다 as far as I can think of, we just remove the 다 and we just remove the 을 too, and then it just becomes 긴, like this. And same with this one, the things with the b sound at the bottom, we also just remove the 다, remove the b, and we replace it, not replace it, we just write a 운, so it becomes 추운. Okay, and the last one, anything with 있다 and 없다, like 맛있다 and 맛없다, we remove the 다 and write 는 instead. Alright, so like usual, here are some example sentences. Okay, the first one is 이거는 비싼 차예요. 이거는 비싼 차예요. So this one means this is, 는 means is, 비싼, expensive, 차, car, and this 에요 right here is just like a way to end the sentence. I don't know why we say this, but in Korean we just like have like this thing to end the sentence. We just end it in 에요. It doesn't really have a meaning. So yeah, this means this is an expensive car. 이거는 비싼 차예요. Alright, so let's look at another sentence. 이거는 깨끗한 차예요. 이거는 깨끗한 차예요. Okay, so this is a clean car. This is a clean car. And really, you can replace this color green with any other adjectives, because now you know how to change the adjectives, right? So yeah, all you have to do is look in the dictionary for an adjective and then just conjugate it correctly and just put it in where the green spot is in the sentence. And also you can replace this yellow word car with any other noun. You can just look it up in a dictionary. You can say like tree or whatever. Here, I'll show you. This one is 이거는 깨끗한 컴퓨터예요. 이거는 깨끗한 컴퓨터예요. So the only word I replaced was computer. So this way you can make like almost like an infinite number of sentences. You just have to replace these words. Like computer, you can say tree, I don't know, you can say desk, you can say room, anything you want. And also even this red one, you could replace it with maybe like 저거, which means that, is 저거는 깨끗한 컴퓨터예요. So yeah, many different combinations you can make with this kind of pattern. Alright, so now I made some exercises for you guys. Here's a bunch of adjectives that I wrote down. So let's see if we can try to conjugate these in the correct way using the rules that we learned so far. I'll put the answers in the Facebook page. I'll put the link down below. And yeah, pause the video, try it out, write it down somewhere, and then check your answers in the Facebook page. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and leave in the comments below if you guys have any kind of questions. Please join the, not join, but follow the Facebook page, and I'll see you guys next time.